Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2017 Lexus IS 350. For this project, you will need a 10mm socket. And the first step you want to do is you want to take off the hood cover that is covering the bracket so you'll be able to get to the battery bracket itself. Okay, then when you want to do that is, then you want to reach over and loosen up the battery bracket itself that is over the battery itself. Okay, you'll be able to take the battery bracket off. Okay, your next step is you want to take off the positive terminal nets. To use that socket, 10mm socket or wrench, and just turn clockwise until you feel the bolt loosen up from the battery post on the positive terminal itself. Then once you take off the negative as well, you'll be able to lift this battery directly out of the car itself. So now what we're installing back into this vehicle, we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery itself back into this 2017 Lexus IS 350. And it's your first time visiting Battery Guyz Nation. If we're adding added value today, please like the video, comment, share, and also to subscribe to our channel as well, because we are doing a lot of great benefits for the environment. We're saving customers money, we're saving the environment itself, and we're uploading daily videos of all types of install, not only just cars. We're doing solar, we're going to be doing boats, we're doing golf carts, we're doing everything. Anything battery related, we are installing it. Not only that too, we're also going to show you about how we recycle these batteries as well, saving the environment, and likewise reconditioning, exactly why we are considered the world's best reconditioned batteries, because we have been featured on a lot of national TV shows and news outlets as well. Exactly what we do here at Battery Guyz Nation. What we're doing here in the video is you want to basically put that battery bracket on first. You want to connect the one, get the screw and tighten up the bolt that's connected to the hood itself. Just use your finger as shown here in the video as kind of get it started with your fingers first. And then take that 10mm socket and tighten it on up. Okay, so what we're doing next is that we're tightening up the screw that's located on the battery bracket itself, that's over the battery itself. Once you get that tied up, then you want to proceed to tightening up your positive terminal nets. Again, you can use a 10mm socket or a wrench, 10mm wrench itself. Okay, then your next step is you want to connect the negative terminal back to the negative post itself on the battery and turn your wrench clockwise until you feel it tighten up as well. This exactly completes your process, exactly installing a battery in a 2017 Lexus IS 350. Thank you for visiting Battery Guyz Nation with a Z. Please like, share, and comment.